The course that you'll be teaching here in Melbourne will be the 2-day How to Be a Behavioural Detective. And we're also then presenting a third day, which we've talked about before, that will be really quite specific and tailored to the Melbourne participants, I think. How has this third day gone in other settings that you've taught this in?
This is the day that people just love. It's, as we say here in Canada, where the rubber hits the road. There is an opportunity to see, to practice, to do some hands-on, to have some group conversation, how to be able to take the knowledge and start to apply it in a way that suits where you are in your own life and practice. And so this practical day is a place where we get to stretch into the skills that we've learned and bring them to the life of the child or person we support.